Good morning, everyone. Here we are in another cold morning, windy and chilly this time, and yeah, it's catching on the cold. It's getting more and more now that we are approaching winter. Yeah, this is a new location actually. As you can see, it's very pretty. The light is starting to get out to show now, and there is this cliff here and this rock, and it goes to the horizon, and I think it's really special. It's not my first place here, but it's still a new location for me to shoot with my new lens, the Sigma 24 2.8. And yeah, this is a very nice place because I stayed in a hotel here once behind these rocks, and the views are just stunning, as you can imagine. But today I'm just here just for a quick shot. It was not promising that there was going to be so many clouds, so I didn't even research other places to visit. So then I just decided to come here, and it seems that there is enough clouds. The problem might be if the colors are going to show up or not. But you know, fingers crossed, and then we wait and see what we're going to get. Right? The good thing is that to get out of the house. Anyway, so I'm setting up here. I set up like both a time lapse with the R3 and some shots with the just normal photos with the A7R4. But now I am waiting to see if something shows up or I can find a different composition. But it's really cold. It's really cold. Anyway, so. Yeah, let's wait to see if the sun hits the rocks, because it gives so much shape when it starts hitting these rocks here, like lots of shadows, and there's lots of crevices here, as you can see. Spaces between the rocks where when the light comes it gives nice shadows. But for now I'm going to continue changing my compositions and seeing if I can find something that I really enjoy. Right, so let me explain the compositions then. I have two cameras set up here, right? And one is around this other one that I'm playing around here with. It's around 35 millimeters on the long end. It goes until 105, but I'm just pushing it to 35. And the way that I have it so is that, at least in this, the composition that jumps the eye the most is that the water makes the leading line to the end of the island, and then there is the source of light over there. And since it's tighter, it's removing a lot of the foreground, which is something that I tried to do with this one and have it like a tighter shot. Maybe it's gonna work, not sure. With this other one here, I'm set up at around 24 millimeters, and it's the same thing, same composition, but now I'm including more of this side of the cliffs, and I'm getting a little bit of the waterfall as well. So there is a waterfall here. I don't know if you can see it. It's very, very faint. I can show it in the video here in the explanation. So yeah, similar compositions, but different focal lengths. And of course, like I'm gonna get a little bit tighter and tighter with this one, and with the other one, I'm gonna try to go wider and wider in a moment. Now it's very silvery, the light, which is looking good. My expectation is that at some point the sun bursts through the clouds and then illuminates a little bit more of the cliff, and then we get different shadows and different compositions. But this area is really pretty. Look at this. Damn. Nice. Right, let's continue shooting and then finding maybe not other compositions, because this one is the most clear one, but you know, like different lights, and then gives a different mood. Yeah, sun is starting to show a little bit here in the background. It's a tiny, tiny dot, but since it's so covered by the clouds, it's whoa. This is really a lot of my face for you. So, since it's kind of covered by the clouds, it's a bit difficult to see the colors. Like, might continue this way, the way that it is here. It's not bad. Different kind of mood, but we'll work with it, right? About going wider and wider, this I expected with the R4 that I would be going extremely wide, but the problem is with all wide lenses, as you know, it pushes so much the background forward that I don't think it looks good. I might do one shot or two just to regret later on the computer, but it's mostly a trial and error here with this new lens. The other one is more on a known commodity. This is my widest lens ever so far. It went to 16 before, and that was already wide. But you know, it broke, so then I got this one. But it's a fantastic. I love it. I love it. Love it. Love it. This lens. Yeah, on the horizon, some of the clouds, the tips of the clouds are getting some color. So hopefully when it raises a little bit, we can get some more over here, because the cloud cover is actually really, really nice. So yeah, let's see how it's going to be then when the colors come, right? Hopefully it's going to be fantastic. Yeah, it seems that I don't know if you can see, but over here, it seems that there is some color hitting the tops of the clouds, which is quite nice. Already on the back here, there is some color, but I think it's beginning to show. The sun is beginning to show its face, and right on time, always on time. Yeah. But yeah, so let's see. The sea is looking really pretty, quite silvery, like light blue. So let's wait a little bit more and see what we can get, right? So as per usual, I broke out the big guns here, and I'm taking some time lapse from a very far away island, and just taking the move. The clouds are so pretty, they're so puffy, so I want to see how they move on a time lapse. I think half of photography is curiosity, right? Like you're just trying to see how things look like. And the horizon, it's looking really pretty as well. There is quite a lot of haze down there, but the sun is shining down on the faraway island, so I might take a shot from there as well, since the big boy is already out of the backpack. But yeah, I think this is it for today. Hopefully you enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching. Thanks for your time. And if you haven't done so, subscribe and give it a thumbs up, all of those things. And all of those photos that you've seen here, they're gonna be on the description box below. So if you want to check it out, them in a bigger size, just head to my website and then you can see it there. But for today, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I see you guys in the next one.